Welcome to the radiant flower. How it's important for us women to stay strong, be confident, empowered, to follow our dreams, to find our path, trust ourselves. This is feminine energy, confident, strong, but fluid and beautiful. Stay confident, smile softly, trust and believe in yourself. Breathe deeply. Let's begin. Lift the hands slowly up through the center of the body. At lung level, turn the palms inward toward the lungs. In Taoist wisdom, the lungs are the home of bravery and courage. From here, turn the palms and continue lifting the arms upward, palms opening to the sky. Hold overhead for a few breaths. Shoulders relax. Lower the arms slowly. At lung level, turn the palms inward again and then return the hands to the low belly. Move with breath, awareness, and presence. This practice cultivates bravery, emotional strength, and inner stability. It supports the lungs and breathing, helping you feel calm and confident. It opens the chest and shoulders, improves posture and circulation. Begin in radiant flower posture. Step your feet shoulder width apart, grounding yourself more deeply into the earth. With a slow exhale, begin to sink down. Bend your knees, allow your torso to fall gently forward. Let your arms drop like resting wings. Lower yourself toward the earth, as if you're returning to the ashes, quiet, still, and fully supported. Pause and ground. Feel the stability of the earth beneath you. Now, with a powerful inhale, press through your feet and begin to rise. Straighten your legs and lift onto your toes. Sweep your arms up and out to the sides like wings opening. Let your arms softly cross above your head. Your arms form a living arch like wings meeting the sky. Feel the extension through your sides, ribs, and heart. This is a moment of rising, of confidence, of remembering who you are. Say loudly and proudly, I rise, I bloom. Begin in prayer position at the heart. Feel your center. Step forward into a deep grounded lunge. As you step, lift your arms upward to the sky, palms together, moving from the heart into expansion. As you step out of the lunge, return the hands to the prayer position. Feel the connection, power gathered, confidence held within. As you step into lunge pose and affirm loudly, I am confident and strong. I move forward knowing who I am. Continue walking forward, heart to the sky, sky back to the heart. Each step is intentional and strong. This practice builds confidence, courage, and self-trust. It helps you feel grounded while moving forward with clarity. It strengthens the legs and hips, supports balance and posture, and connect movement with breath and intention. Remember, you are a woman walking through life with confidence and inner strength. Stand tall, open your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Slowly lift your arms up to the sky, palms open. You are rooted below and rising above. Stay here for 1 full minute. Breathe deeply. With every inhale, feel strength rising from the earth through your legs, your pelvis, your spine. With every exhale, release doubt and hesitation. Say loud, I am brave, I am confident, I am strong. Hold, breathe, stand in your power. This pose builds confidence, bravery, and inner stability. It strengthens the legs and core, opens the chest and shoulders, support posture and balance. It helps you feel grounded while standing fully in your power. Let this strength settle into your body. You're grounded, you're steady, you're standing in your power. You are a radiant flower. It's your time to blossom. I hope you feel empowered, courageous, confident, and brave. Keep going, keep shining.